Have you ever felt that uncomfortable bloating or that hunger that comes out of nowhere, even after eating? What if I told you that a simple, delicious, and fiber-packed drink can help you feel lighter, control hunger, and even support your health? Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the Belly Slimming Smoothie, a practical recipe perfect for breakfast or dinner. Want to know how to prepare this amazing drink and boost your healthy routine? Then stay with me until the end, because I'll show you the step-by-step and tips that make all the difference. This smoothie is a real gem for those who want to eat well without hassle. It's rich in fiber, which helps keep you full for longer, regulates your digestion, and can even support weight loss when combined with a balanced diet. The best part, it's super easy to make and uses ingredients you probably already have at home. Whether it's to start the day with energy or for a light dinner, this recipe is versatile and fits perfectly into your routine. Let's find out how to make it. You'll need 250 milliliters of skim milk or plant-based milk, 1 chopped banana, 1 chopped apple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, preferably ground fresh to avoid any bitterness. Chia is amazing, full of fiber and omega-3, and flaxseed gives that extra boost to digestion. If needed, you can use plant-based milk, like almond or oat, if you prefer something lactose-free. All set, let's get to the preparation. In the blender, start by adding the 250 milliliters of skim milk or plant-based milk. Then, add the chopped banana and chopped apple. Cut them into small pieces to make blending easier. Now, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. Blend everything for about 30 seconds until it forms a smooth cream. The chia and flaxseed will make the texture thicker, but if you prefer something more liquid, just add a bit more milk. You don't need to sweeten it, because the fruits already bring a delicious natural sweetness, but if you want, you can add a touch of honey or natural sweetener. The result, a large glass of smoothie, perfect to drink right away and enjoy all the nutrients. To get the most out of this recipe, here are some tips. Drink the smoothie right after preparing it to ensure the nutrients are at their peak. And don't forget, drink plenty of water throughout the day to enhance the effect of the fiber, which helps with digestion and satiety. Combine this drink with a balanced diet and, if possible, include exercise in your routine for better results. Oh, and always consult a nutritionist to tailor the recipe to your specific needs. With these steps, you'll feel the difference in your body and energy. So, what did you think of this smoothie? Easy, delicious, and perfect for anyone wanting a healthier routine. Now it's your turn. Try it and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs a practical recipe like this, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips like these. Stay tuned, because there's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.